Credit Versio Credit Repair Full Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to the products and tools mentioned in this video are in the description below. If you're looking to improve your credit score and address negative or inaccurate items on your credit report, Credit Versio is a professional credit repair service designed to streamline the process while providing expert guidance. One of the primary features of Credit Versio is its personalized credit evaluation. Upon signing up, the team reviews your credit reports from all three major bureaus, identifies negative items such as late payments, collections, charge-offs, bankruptcies, or errors, and creates a tailored strategy for addressing each issue efficiently. The platform then generates and submits dispute letters on your behalf, ensuring that disputes are properly formatted and follow bureau guidelines, which increases the likelihood of removals. Credit Versio also provides ongoing support and progress tracking through a secure online dashboard, allowing users to see which items have been disputed, monitor responses from credit bureaus, and track improvements in their credit profile over time. Another key feature is their educational resources and personalized advice, which help users understand the factors affecting their credit and adopt strategies to maintain or improve their score long-term. In terms of strengths, Credit Versio stands out for its combination of professional expertise and user-friendly technology, making it ideal for individuals who want a hands-on approach with guidance from experienced credit specialists. The service is particularly suitable for people with multiple negative items on their reports, as the tailored strategies and dedicated support help manage complex credit issues effectively. However, there are some limitations to consider. Credit Versio cannot remove accurate negative information, and results depend on the responsiveness of the credit bureaus and the validity of disputes. The service also charges a monthly fee, which can accumulate if disputes take several months to resolve, so clients need to remain actively engaged in the process. Overall, Credit Versio Credit Repair is a reliable and professional option for anyone seeking structured, expert-led credit repair, combining automated dispute management, personalized guidance, and educational support to help clients improve their credit efficiently and responsibly.